Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Aspiring to be a university gold medalist means reaching the pinnacle of academic excellence. This prestigious award is bestowed upon the student who achieves the highest overall marks throughout their degree program. It's more than just good grades. It's about consistent high performance, strategic learning, and genuine understanding. We'll explore the updated 2025 roadmap to help you achieve this remarkable academic distinction. Your journey to a gold medal begins with meticulous planning and a solid foundation. Thoroughly understand your syllabus and how grading works for every subject. This knowledge allows you to strategically identify high-weightage topics and allocate your precious study time effectively. Setting clear, measurable academic goals for each semester from day one will provide a tangible roadmap for your success. Beyond just putting in hours, mastering effective study techniques is paramount. Implement active recall by constantly testing yourself on material, rather than simply rereading notes passively. Utilize spaced repetition by revisiting topics at increasing intervals, ensuring information solidifies in your long-term memory. Consistent revision of previously covered material is crucial, preventing knowledge decay and building a robust understanding. Achieving gold medalist status isn't solely about academics. Holistic growth is equally vital. Seek out mentorship from experienced professors or accomplished senior students. Their insights can be invaluable. Engage in relevant extracurricular activities to develop broader skills and a well-rounded profile. Crucially, prioritize your mental and physical well-being, ensuring you sustain peak performance throughout your demanding academic journey. The ultimate test of your preparation lies in exam mastery. Practice extensively with past examination papers to familiarize yourself with question patterns and perfect your timing. Refining your answer writing techniques for clarity and comprehensive responses will significantly boost your scores. Finally, maintain unwavering consistency in your efforts and cultivate a positive mindset, especially when facing challenges, for a truly gold medal winning performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.